Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap. In today's video I'm going to teach you how we can build multiple themes in our Tailwind CSS. So inside this video I'm going to teach you a method that you can define as much themes as you want in your application. So video is going to be more important, and before starting this video I would like to request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, you can see that I have created a React.js project using Vite, and I have configured Tailwind CSS in my project. Next, I have pasted some HTML here with some Tailwind CSS classes and a dummy content. Here you can see this is the output of our HTML code. Next, I will use a parent div for a specific purpose, and I will tell you why I have created a parent div here. Next, inside my index.css, which lies under source folder, you can see here this is our index.css. These three lines for Tailwind CSS, and I have defined three themes here. First theme name is dark, second light, and third name is red. If you can see, I have defined three colors or three CSS variables, which is background, text color, and border color. It means if someone will choose dark theme, my background color will be used, this color will be used. Similarly, if someone will use the red theme, this color will be used as a background. So that's how you can define multiple themes, but just for instance I have only defined three themes here, and similarly you can define as much colors as you want. Next, you need to open the tailwind.config.js. Inside this file, under extend key, you need to create a new key like colors, and here we will define an object, and here again I will define some custom colors. For example, I will type here background, and then here I will define that variable that we have defined inside our index.css. So I will simply copy this variable name and paste here. Similarly, I will define another variable like text color, and the third custom color, which is BD. BD stands for border. Now we have to use these colors inside our theme. So for example, if I want to give a background color to any of my components, simply I will type bg hyphen and then I will type here background. So basically this bg is coming from Tailwind CSS, and because we have defined our custom class which is background here, so I'm using this. So basically this is the custom color name, and because I'm using here bg, so it means we are defining this color as a background. And similarly you can also see that I have also give a border to my this box. So what I'm going to do here, I will type border hyphen, and again this is the BD is the custom color that we have defined in our Tailwind CSS for border color. So again in the last, what I will do inside our this paragraph, I will type here text and text color. So basically again this text color is our custom color name, tailwind.config that we have defined in our Tailwind config. So you can see that. So in the last, what we will do, I will simply use the use state to update my theme. Okay, but before doing anything, let me show you one thing. For example, if here if I type here the div that we defined as a parent, if I type here red and save this, so now you can see that our theme is red. If I type here dark, now you can see that the theme is dark, and similarly if I type here light, so the theme is light. So just for instance, if I type here red and if I open my index.css, so you can see that this color is using for background, this color is using for border, and again this color is using for text. So friends, this is how you can define multiple themes in your Tailwind CSS. And now in the last, I will create three buttons, so in the app user can change his theme. So let's do that. So first of all, inside the app.tsx, I will define a state here which will be theme and set theme, and here I will define a default theme of our application which will be light, and similarly I will define a button here inside my dark. Maybe we can define after this, or inside this, let me define after this. I will simply type here button, and here I will type the text like dark, and we need to type here on click listener. So once someone will click here, again inside this we will define an arrow function which will say update theme or set theme. Let me directly type here set theme, and here I will simply type here dark. Okay, Now let me run the application. And one thing more we need to do, instead of defining here red, I will simply cut this theme from here and paste here like theme, so our theme will come from our state. Okay, now first of all, if I refresh the page, you can see that the theme is light, and if I click on the dark button, so now you can see that our theme is dark. Similarly, I will use some classes to define my this button. So don't worry, these are just some Tailwind CSS classes. So now our button will look like this. And similarly, what I am going to do, I will simply copy this button and paste here. Here I will type light. Inside our update state function, I will type the light. Here I will type red, and here again I will type red. And I am going to create a new div, and inside this div I will type some classes like display flex, justify center, margin top would be 16, and gap would be 10. Okay, now you can see that our buttons are looking like this. So first of all, if I click on red, so you can see that the theme is red and light and dark. Okay, so friends, this is how you can create multiple themes. Just for each theme you need to define a color palette, maybe of 10 colors or of 15 colors, it is up to you. And you can define different colors for different themes. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.